Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Shari and I am based here in Cagayan de Oro City. So today's video guys is about making a thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Nowadays, sobrang dami na kasi na gustong mag-YouTube or gustong mag-produce ng videos or gustong mag-vlogger as what they say. Important kasi guys na meron kayong magandang thumbnail para sa mga YouTube videos nyo kasi yun yung unang-unang makikita ng taong manonood ng videos or maghahanap ng video sa YouTube. So, actually guys, nagawa ko na to nung nakaraan pero hindi siya ganun ka-clear. Mabilis lang to guys and the application that I am going to use will be free. Okay, so yes guys, as what you can see guys in my channel, most of my thumbnails are in similar form. So meron akong template para hindi ako masyadong mahirapan mag-iisip ko anong form or anong design or anong layout na naman ng thumbnail ang gagawin ko. As what I've said po, the application that I'm going to use will be free. So you don't need to have an internet connection to use the app. So, let's proceed. So, ang gagamitin ko po ay Moldiv. I will just turn off my microphone here. So, guys, proceed tayo sa collage. As what you can see here, we have collage, magazine. Ayan. So, let's choose collage. And then after that, we are going to choose freestyle. Ayan. Yes, I have here the screenshot of my latest video, yung about a reaction of Kim Chu's Bawal Lumabas. So if you haven't watched that, you can check it out in the description box. So let's just choose that screenshot. Ayan. And then I also have the subscribe button. I also have the subscribe button, it's here. And then, yun lang. So, just make it simple, guys. So, the first thing, so yun yung first na gagawin natin. Let's choose the right picture. So, I suggest po na yung picture na gagamitin nyo ay screenshot from your video or yung enactment ng paggawa nyo ng video. For example, ganito. Ayan. After adding the picture, the next one would be adjust your frame. So guys, the size of your frame is 16 by 9. So you just drag the circle here as you can see in my screen record. So it should be 16 by 9. So there you go, 16 by 9. And then lalakihan ko lang yung aking, tatabi ko muna to, lalakihan ko lang yung aking picture. Para magkasya siya dito sa frame natin. And then let's just long press it. Wait. Sug natin ha. Ayan. So i-long press natin siya para ma-push siya doon ang lumabas yung subscribe button. Ayan siya guys. And hanap tayo ng form. Lagay lang natin kung saan siya sa tingin natin ay bagay. So, ayan. Okay. So, after that, guys, we are going to add text to our thumbnail. So, as you can see, may mga letters dito sa baba. Yung may frame, yung may big letter and small letter A. My heart, those are the stickers that you're going to use. And then, after you finish making your thumbnail, you can click itong nasa sign na parang may arrow. So, tingnan nyo na lang sa screen, guys, ha? So, let's add text. Yung AA, guys, pindutin natin. And let's type, lalagay ko lang, Kim Chu. Ayan. So, maghanap tayo ng, i-explore nyo lang, guys, ha? That's the secret, guys, kasi yung app, hindi naman natin kailangan manood talaga ng mga tutorials about that. You just have to explore. Pindutin mo kung ano yung mga pwedeng pindutin dyan. At you learn for yourself. Okay? So, yan yung napili kong font doon sa thumbnail na ginawa ko doon sa video. So, ayan, then we will add, as you can see guys, yung circle, dito tayo, pipili kung ano yung font color na gagamitin natin. But I will just choose white. As you can see guys, mahilig po ako sa white, sky blue, gray, and parang ganun nga. So, we'll choose the white color, and then you click the AA, yung parang may line, guys, to add the shadow and the stroke of your text. So, I'll just add shadow on this. I-drag nyo lang yung finger nyo dito sa parang color. Ayan. So, let's say, yung parang may pink. Ayan. Tapos, you can either choose soft or solid for your shadow. So, yung soft, yun yung parang scattered yung color. And yung solid naman, guys, yun yung parang makikita mo talaga yung form ng letters dun sa shadow. So, lakihan lang natin ng konti. I would like to have soft for that. And then, I will add stroke. Okay, yung stroke naman, guys, yun yung sulat sa gilid ng letters. Okay? Sulat sa gilid ng letters or yung border ng letters nyo, guys. Yun yung stroke. I will choose the darker red for this. Where is it? Ayan, darker red. So, check lang natin pagkatapos. And then, let's position that. And then, let's add another text box. So, ganun din. Bawal lumabas. La 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 la. Ayan, so, guys, position lang natin ano yung gusto natin. Kung just centered ba siya, flush left, or flush right. So, we'll choose that one. Ayan, so gusto ko yan. Tapos palitan natin ng malaking letters. Yun yung ginamit ko kasi doon, guys. And let's also change the shadow into yellow. Where is it? Ayan, yellow and soft. I like the soft shadow for this. And I will just make my stroke. So, this is how you are going to turn and then turn off your stroke, guys. So, sabi ko nga, i-explore nyo lang yung mga buttons dyan. So, you can see naman in my screen. So, this will be your basic reference for your thumbnails. So, I would like to choose red again in this para mas kita siya. So, lakihan lang natin yung ating, orange to. Lakihan lang natin yung ating, wait, we'll change. Lakihan lang natin yung ating stroke. Ayun. So, I'm already done with my shadow and my stroke. So, again, check. And then, position natin, guys. This is how I made it kasi. So, ayan, alam ko na kung paano siya gawin. By the way, guys, yung screenshot na ginamit ko ay meron na din siyang screen record. As you can see, on the right-hand side of your screen, or my screen, meron na si Kim siya dyan. And then, last, guys, lalagyan ka siya ng reaction. I made it all caps. Reaction video, all caps. So, ayun, guys, tatanggalin ko lang yung mga shadows and stroke kasi wala yung shadow. And I will change also the font style again. I will make it the simple font style. Where is it? So, guys, I will just remove the shadow on this and the stroke for my third group of text. And we will add background. So, this is how you're going to add the background. Guys, as you can see, yung parang dulo ng ribbon dito sa right-hand side natin. So, that's what we are going to do. And then, we will choose the background. As you can see, guys, nag-change na yung background natin. But, kung ayaw mo naman na may background siya, mayroong circle dito na may parang line na ganyan. So, pindutin mo lang yan. So, let's choose red for this. Red. Ayan, so red siya, guys. And then, we're done. Resize the video. As you can see, may arrow up and arrow down. So, yan yung pindutin natin to resize our text. So, ayan, matatakpan yung subscribe button natin. So, guys, i-arrange ko lang siya, ha? So, I think ganyan siya. Tanggalin na lang kaya natin tong subscribe na to. Wait. But guys, if you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button and the bell notification on the side. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga subscribers ko, guys. I hope na manatili po kayo sa aking buhay. Bitaw. Salamat. Well, anyways, guys, ayan. So, lagyan natin dito yung subscribe button. Ayan. So, siguro ganyan na lang din or dito. Ayan. So, I think this is good na. So, ang gagawin natin ay to export. So, yung nasa pinakadulo dito. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba? Ayan siya. Pindutin natin yan. And then, let's choose maximum para malaki yung file natin, guys. There you go. So, guys, hahanapan na lang natin siya doon sa ating gallery. Ayan siya. So, this will be our final product. So, this is now our final thumbnail. So, before I end this video, I just would like to remind all of you to keep your thumbnails clear and simple. And at the end of the day, guys, it will still depend on your creativity. But yung aking masasuggest ay maglagay po kayo ng related doon sa content na mga pictures or people na nasa content nyo, guys. Huwag kayong maglagay ng ibang picture dyan na magiging clickbait na tinatawag nila. So, guys, if you want more tutorials like these, please don't forget to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed nga, mag-subscribe na rin kayo kung gusto nyo, guys. So, guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Always remember to stay kind and simple. God bless everyone. Bye-bye. Guys, I am currently editing my videos and nakalimutan ko pong i-share sa inyo kung ano yung mga applications na ginagamit ko for my thumbnail. So, I use tatlo po. Yung first ay yung Photoshop, and yung second ay yung Canva.com, and yung third ay yung Moldiv. So, ito nga tinuturo ko po sa inyo. But, yun nga, pag medyo mabilisan lang and medyo wala akong time and kailangan ko nang mag-upload, I used Moldiv, guys. Ito yung pinakamabilis na gamitin natin for our thumbnails. But if it involves the cutting and yung may mga glowing sides na ganyan, gumagamit po ako ng Photoshop. Yung iba naman ay PixArt naman po yung ginagamit nila. So, yes.